What if I told you that for under $30,000, you could own a rolling piece of 1950s American optimism, a car born in the golden age of chrome, V8 rumble, and drive-in dreams? Today, we're stepping into pure nostalgia with this stunning 1956 Ford Fairlane Club Sedan, finished in bold red over a clean gray interior, powered by a smooth-running 292 cubic inch V8 and built to cruise with style, grace, and unmistakable presence. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love ultra classic American steel, make sure you subscribe because this one is special. The moment you lay eyes on this Fairlane, you're transported straight to 1956. This was an era when tail fins were just beginning to rise, chrome trim was a symbol of pride, and the open road represented freedom in its purest form. The red exterior on this car captures that spirit perfectly. It's vibrant without being loud, elegant without trying too hard. Under sunlight, the paint glows. Under evening lights, it deepens into a rich, dramatic crimson that commands attention from every angle. The Club Sedan body style delivers that balanced silhouette, substantial yet sleek. Four doors provide practicality, but the styling keeps it refined and flowing. The chrome bumpers, the polished trim, the iconic mid-century lines, everything about this car feels intentional. And sitting confidently beneath it are 16-inch fifth-generation Mustang wheels, a subtle modern touch that enhances stance and presence without disturbing the car's vintage soul. It's classic, but with just enough edge. Now let's talk about what truly defines a 1950s cruiser, the engine. Under the hood sits a believed 292 cubic inch V8, smooth running, confident, and built during an era when displacement was king. This isn't just about horsepower numbers, it's about feel. It's about the gentle vibration at idle, the deep burble through the exhaust, and the effortless surge as you roll into the throttle. Paired to a 3-speed automatic transmission, this Fairlane is designed for easy, relaxed driving. No wrestling gears, no drama, just smooth, composed cruising. With a 3.22 rear axle ratio, the car balances acceleration with comfortable highway manners. It's the kind of gearing that makes weekend drives feel effortless, and thanks to factory-style front and rear suspension, the ride remains authentic to its roots, soft, floating, unmistakably 1950s. Air shocks in the rear add a touch of adjustability and stability, especially helpful when you've got the family on board heading to a car show or sunset cruise. Yes, this is a fun family cruiser. Four doors mean room for everyone. The spacious cabin invites conversation, laughter, and shared memories. Inside, the gray cloth interior has been upgraded with tasteful upholstery enhancements. It remains faithful to the era while offering improved comfort and durability. The seats present cleanly with minimal wear, showing care and preservation rather than neglect. Slide behind the wheel and you're greeted by classic design, wide dash layout, bright trim accents, and auxiliary gauges that have been thoughtfully installed to give you added confidence while driving. These additional readouts are practical without being intrusive. The upgraded radio system blends modern sound capability into a vintage setting, allowing you to cruise to your favorite classics while still enjoying the nostalgic cabin atmosphere. Even better, the heater and defrost systems are functional, a detail often overlooked in classics of this age. That means chilly morning drives or unexpected weather changes won't cut your adventure short. It's a small detail, but it speaks volumes about this car's usability. Braking is handled by drum brakes front and rear, factory style, true to 1956 engineering. They require a classic driving mindset, smooth inputs, anticipation, and rhythm, but that's part of the charm. Driving this Fairlane isn't about aggression, it's about presence. It's about gliding down the boulevard, windows down, elbow resting casually, engine humming in harmony. The odometer reads 65,754 miles. Though the mileage type is unknown, what matters more is how the car presents and performs today. It runs smoothly, it looks right, it feels complete, and at a listed price of $26,995, it represents an accessible gateway into true 1950s Americana. This isn't a trailer queen wrapped in plastic. It's not an over-restored museum exhibit. It's something better, a usable, honest classic with character. The kind of car that fits perfectly at a weekend cruise-in, parked beneath neon diner lights, chrome reflecting off polished pavement. Owning a 1956 Fairlane is about more than transportation. It's about storytelling. It's about remembering when highways were new, when tail fins symbolized the space age, and when a V8 under the hood meant you had arrived. This red over gray 1956 Ford Fairlane Club Sedan embodies that era with confidence, smooth-running 292 V8, 3-speed automatic, classic 50s styling, clean interior, tasteful upgrades, family-friendly layout. It checks every box for someone looking to enter the vintage world without stepping into six-figure territory. Imagine pulling into your local Cars and Coffee. Imagine the conversations, the smiles from older enthusiasts who remember riding in one as kids, the curiosity from younger drivers seeing something so different from today's sharp-edged machines. This car doesn't shout, it glides, it doesn't race, it cruises, and it doesn't just turn heads, it starts conversations. If you've been searching for a true mid-century American classic that blends authenticity, usability, and visual impact, this 1956 Ford Fairlane Club Sedan might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Let me know in the comments, would you keep it exactly as it sits, or would you add subtle performance upgrades? And if you love seeing iconic American classics like this, hit that subscribe button because we've got more vintage legends coming your way. This isn't just a car, it's 1956 reborn, repainted in red, and ready to cruise into its next chapter.